We are pleased to show you the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.